What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to quickly go over Wink. We're going to go over one announcement on their, just going to darken this a little bit, one announcement on their Twitter, as well as quickly go over the technical analysis. This video probably won't be too long. So we're down 5% on the day, and then on the 7-day, we're up basically 5%. So we're sitting at the $29.39 million market cap and a 24-hour volume of 2.45 million. All right, guys. So we can see here on their Twitter. So we can see here we've surpassed 110,000 followers for their Twitter, wink.org. Wink's been building the best app gaming ecosystem in crypto since 2018. So they just passed 100,000 and now they're at 115,000. They're actually at 118 now. So it's good to see the Twitter growing. So let's jump straight into the technical analysis. It's nothing too exciting, but we're here on the 1 hour chart for Wink, and we're starting to find resistance on the 20 EMA. And that's a bearish sign. When you start to bounce off the 20 EMA and find resistance on the 20 EMA, it's a signal that the price is pushing downwards. You can see we are creating higher highs, or sorry guys, lower highs and lower lows. So most likely what we're going to see is the price is just going to roll over like this, because when we're hitting our head like that on the 20 EMA and we're not breaking above it and turning it to support, you can see it right here. You have resistance along the 20 EMA, you're pushing the price down, and then you form your inverse head and shoulders. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and here's your right shoulder, which is a reversal pattern. You break the neckline and then you start trending back upwards again. But the bears, the sellers stepped in, pushed the price down, and now once again we are finding resistance along the 20 EMA, pushing the price downwards. So what we're going to most likely see is that Wink continues to roll over and find support here on the Fibonacci at 0.00122, and if we were to break that, well, we'd probably head back to that bottom and create a double bottom at 0.0011. You can see here on the RSI we're trending towards oversold, but we're not quite there. You can see right here we're oversold 25 in the RSI, and that buying action stepped in. It's nothing to worry about. As I've been saying with Wink, the chart is recovering, and as long as BTC continues to go through the correction, we'll see a similar chart with Wink. So even if we roll over and find support, we're still kind of just consolidating in this area of about 12 cents to about 14 cents, where we've been consolidating for quite a while. We did have that major dip down here to about 0.00007 when BTC really took a dump. But now we're just consolidating. But guys, always remember to zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. And you can go to the 1 week chart. And we can see here with Wink on the 1 week, the 20 EMA is catching back up to the candles. This is really bullish, guys. This is exactly what you want to see. And you can see it right here. We had a pump, and then we had our correction. We had a little pump, we had our correction. And now we had an absolutely massive, major, huge pump. And now we're having a major correction. This is the game. And then we correct. And then boom. You pump once again. And you start trending towards new all-time highs for your bull run right up here at 0.004. So it's all part of the game, especially with coins that have these massive pumps. You're always going to see that massive correction. So I'm going to put Wink on the 1 day for you guys. So we can see it here on the 1 day for Wink. We're having trouble staying above the 20 EMA. And the sellers are stepping in and pushing the price underneath the 20 EMA. But something that's good to see is our 50, our blue line here, and our 20, our yellow line, are becoming closer together. Because when they are too far spread apart, that's a sign of the correction. That's a sign that you're pumping, and you don't want to see that. You want to see it close together. You see how beautiful this is? How close the 50 and the 20 EMA are together, and you see how the candles are bouncing off the 20 EMA. They pump up a little bit, and then they come back and find support on the 20 EMA. That's exactly what you want to see. But we had this massive pump. We broke way too far away from the 20 EMA, and then we kind of crashed down. We fall through the EMAs, and we found support on the 50. And now we're just healing. We're recovering. We're consolidating. It's boring. It's long. And then you have your next impulsive wave breaking you through your all-time high and then back up to new highs for Wink, right? Just like that. And you'll see it if you look at other charts, if you look at the previous bull runs, if you look at charts from the previous bull runs, that's what you see. You see a large pump followed by a corrective wave, followed by another large pump, followed by a corrective wave. And it continues basically till the end of the bull run. So we'll look at Bitcoin real quick. So here's Bitcoin, the master energy, and it's been looking healthy lately. We've actually broken above the golden ratio, the 0.618 on the Fibonacci. We've broken through, and if we can roll over and turn it into support, I would absolutely love to see that. If we roll over, we turn the Fibonacci into support, and we continue to trend upwards towards 0.786, which is about 60,000. That would be gorgeous, because what we don't want to see is that ABC correction that we've been talking about. But the chart is looking healthy right now. We want to see that rollover, and we want to see the yellow, the line, the 20 EMA, creep up and be used as support, and then we can continue to trend onwards for Bitcoin. That's what we're all hoping for. That's what we're all waiting for, is for us to break that high of 64,000 for Bitcoin. So nothing to worry about with Wink, guys. I know it's boring. I know it's uninteresting. But when we start to trend back upwards, when the market recovers, we have our price targets here of 0.0043. And then your next price target would be 0.0066. And from our current correction, you're looking at a juicy gain of 400%. And if we break through the 2.618 on the Fibonacci, your next price target is up at 1 cent, 0.01. And I do believe Wink will make it there during this bull run. And that's about a 700% gain from when we're currently at. And I believe that Wink could do much more than that. So it's boring right now. It's uninteresting. But it's correcting. BTC is correcting. We had a huge pump, and now we're correcting, or we're waiting for our next pump with Wink and with BTT as well. So nothing to worry about. Always zoom out on the chart and look at the big picture, and just get ready to make some gains, because there's more to come with Wink. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Much love. Take care.